Guys, good morning guys. How are you guys? Guys, I'm here now guys in the site because the customer they both the 15 mixer. See guys, this is the mixer guys, Scania mixers. But some truck guys is there is a problem. I show you guys. See guys, I on the key. There is engine malfunction guys, engine malfunction and gearbox malfunction guys. This guys is almost 6 months this unit. They are working 24 hours guys. And also guys, the engine idle guys is very poor. I start guys. Look guys. The idle guys is very poor. The engine is shaking. The sound is not normal guys. So now I try to connect my diagnostic tools guys. This one my laptop. So I connect this one my it's closed. This is the port OBD guys. This one guys. This one guys, this is the port of the diagnostic. This one is the PCI guys. I connect down the PCI. This is the port of the STP3 guys. This one guys, this is called OBD. This is the PCI guys. And also the USB. And then connected here. The USB is here. Okay guys, this is my diagnostic tools guys, STP3. This one guys. Okay guys, so I need to activate the injector solenoid. Go to powertrain, go to engine, and then go to fuel system. This one guys, activating unit injector solenoid valves. So okay, activate now automatically. Okay, but I cannot hear the just what. I think guys, this problem guys is there is one injector is not working. I'm sure because this idling is very poor, so it means there's an injector not malfunction guys. I'm sure guys. So try guys, I try to activate manually. Okay, next I activate number 1. Number 2 guys, no. Number 3 activating. Number 4 see guys, you hear the tick tick tick. Number 4 is working now. Number 5 it's working. Battery is low. Oh my god, so I will put automatically. Okay, number 1. So guys, because guys, this 1 2 3 guys, 1 2 3, this is bank B. 4 5 6 bank A. So this 1 2 3, there's a one injector malfunction guys. So I try to open this one guys, and then let's see what is the problem. Now guys, I found the one injector guys is not working. The solenoid valve guys, this one guys, only this one guys, this one solenoid valve is not working. So now it's okay now guys, because I try guys. See guys, now it's okay guys. Solenoid is stuck guys. Okay guys, the idle guys, the idle now guys is very good now guys. Look, the idle guys is good. Before is very poor idle, now it's very good guys. See? Now I confirm the solenoid valve is malfunction. So I changed this solenoid valve. Okay guys. Number 3, solenoid valve malfunction. Look guys, now guys is idling now is okay guys. Very good now guys, the idling. Because one injector number 3 solenoid valve is malfunction. So now it's okay guys.